We are leaving Santa Rosa today, but before we head out, I am stopping by the post office. I've got books to mail. It's so exciting. I'm sending Jared, the superintendent at Goliad State Park, a copy of the first in the book series KOKO, because it features him in Goliad State Park, and mailing some others out. Woohoo! I had to go get my wallet, so Jana is waiting on me. So we have arrived at Storrie Lake State Park, and that's actually going to be my site for one night. I am parked here in front of Jana's site until they move out. We're here a little early, no problem. We'll probably go to town for lunch. Jana is looking up where our next green chili cheeseburger top 10 restaurant is. There happens to be one here in Las Vegas, New Mexico. So we'll go do that, and then I'll come back, and I'm sure they'll be gone by then, and I can plug in. And then we had to stay in that site for one night, in these two sites, and then we get to go to our favorite sites down on the river. They weren't available tonight. So what do you think, Jana? Are we going to find our green chili favorite next cheeseburger? Am I saying that right?
Green chili cheeseburger?
Yeah, let's look in the magazine.
I know.
Okay, guys, so we're headed to the Skillet to try out that'll be our third chili cheeseburger out of that magazine, right?
Yes.
For the top ones.
Yes.
And we think we'll be able to get 6 done by the time we leave New Mexico. So fingers crossed. But I have to share something funny on me. And I'm going to have to call my cousins and tell them. So I was really concerned. And I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, you can. Hang on. I'm going to turn this around. Can y'all see that snow up there to the left of the tree? That mountain cap, that snow? Okay, there's a story about that. Okay, and the story is, I was concerned because it said that the temperatures were going to be in the upper 90s here. Now, we have electricity, both tonight in our temporary spot and for the 2 weeks in our other spot, or 2 weeks minus 1 day, whatever it is. But you know, upper 90s is hot, and I wanted to sit outside and write, and we wanted to go fishing, and Jana wanted to do some painting, and anyway, I was looking at Las Vegas, Nevada. In my defense, it's Las Vegas, NV versus NM. No, there's no defense. The weather here is beautiful.
New Mexico, and the next on our green chili cheeseburger outing was in Las Vegas. So it is called the Skillet, and we just pulled up to the Skillet. Cute little town, by the way. And
so we're finding out, see it says special event ahead. We're finding out that a lot of these places are closed because they're filming something here on this beautiful downtown area. And we can't wait to come back and check it out, but we're gonna try to eat an alternative location right down here. But they're packing up the film crew down here on this corner. I'll see if I can show you here in a minute. Now look at this old building here on the right, and then over here at the left, that Dunn Diner, that's where they are doing something. They're painting it and getting it ready for a movie set. How cool is that? And we're gonna try to turn down here and go park. So we're back at this Dunn Diner because there wasn't parking to the right, and so we're going to go down here to where we saw public parking and walk, what is it, 3 blocks to where, yeah, you can tell that they're setting up for a movie. So, wonderful little downtown area though. Gosh, can't wait to come explore it. Pedestrian access to Plaza Bridge Historical District. Cool. just asked one of the crew what the name of the movie is, and he said it's a Netflix pilot for a show called Little Sky.
Little Sky?
Little Sky, Netflix pilot. I'm gonna go eat over there, but look at this cool little park. There's more movie crew trucks. What is it you always say, Jana? You waiting on me, you're backing up.
You waiting on me and you're backing up. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, already had one in there.
Oh, no! Since we were in eating pizza, they put this statue up as part of the set. So on the side of this truck it says operated by Netflix Productions.